So let's grab your guitar. You are about to learn something awesome. Before we jump into today's song, I've got a quick challenge for you, which is play your first note. Let's do it. So I'm going to be using my thumb to pluck the first string like this. And then I'm going to take my left hand, I'm going to place my thumb on the neck. And then I'm going to take my fingertip and I'm going to push down on string 1 at fret 3. And I'm going to be using the fingertip. So I keep pushing the string till it touches the fretboard, which is behind the string. And then I pluck with my thumb like this. Now if your note's a little bit buzzy like this, two things you can do is to tuck right behind the metal strip, not on the strip, but just at the side. And then just keep pushing down on the string until you get a really clear sound. And once you get your clear sound, then you have completed the challenge. If you want your child to keep progressing like this, check out Guitar Star Academy using the link below right now. Okay, so our second challenge is to play a riff of 3 notes. So let's try this. So we're back at the first string and we're going to pluck the string what we call open. So that's when we don't push down like this. Now this time I'm going to use my first finger, which is this one. Again, I'm going to use my fingertip, the bony part of the finger, tuck him right behind the fret and then pushing down till the note becomes clear. And then I'm going to jump back to this one, which is the 3rd fret note that we played on our first challenge. Okay, here we go. So we're going to try now playing 3 notes in one try. Open, keep your thumb on the back of the neck, then using this finger, remember to keep pushing down, we get a clear note, and then the 3rd finger. Please keep trying until you get this challenge because it's really going to help with the song we are learning today. So this is preparation before we do that. Hello, I am David. I am a guitar teacher for children. I help children, parents and even grandparents to learn to play the guitar through my books and online courses so they stick with it without giving up. You can go to my website and grab copies of my books and courses there. I have provided a link to that website in the comments below. So our 3rd big challenge is now to play the song of Star Wars. So just follow along with me. Take your time. Remember, you can watch this video and replay it as many times as you want until you get it, and I really recommend doing that as well. I'm going to be using my thumb to pluck the string, so I'm just resting my fingers on the front here and pushing through the string towards the floor. Some people like to use a guitar pick, but if you're a beginner, then I just recommend using your thumb for now. And that is absolutely fine. Okay, so for Star Wars, we're going to start on string 4, so we can count up 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to pluck this string 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then, following that, we're going to pluck string 3. And next, we're going to take our finger and we're going to place it on string 2. And we're going to pluck the 3rd fret. And then the 1st fret. And then open. And then I'm going to pluck the 2nd fret on string 3. Okay, so we want to try to do this in bits, and when you're first learning guitar, repeating things over and over is how we get incredibly good at this. So we're just going to try that one more time. So back to the 4th string. 1, 2, 3, and then moving on to string 3. Taking our finger, the 3rd fret, same string, first fret, open, second fret. Okay, now let's try the next part. We're going to do a big leap here all the way to string 1, so make sure your thumb follows and you're on the same string. I do a little wiggle like that just to make sure I'm on the same string. We're going to pluck that one, and then we're going to hop back onto string 2, and then the first fret, and then open, back to fret 2, big leap again, then on to string 2, then first fret, string 2, then open, back on, and then the second fret. Okay, now I'm going to play this one more time. I'm going to do it really slowly, and then you can see how it connects together. It's absolutely fine if your notes are slow at the moment. Speed comes from what we call accuracy. So that means just getting all the notes correct first, getting all the right sounds. Remember the challenge we did at the beginning where we worked to getting the notes clear. And then with repeating this over and over, you'll find that they just get a tiny bit faster. And then before you know it, it sounds like the song. I'm also going to put a demo at the end of this tutorial so you can actually hear me play it, connecting all the notes together. So here we go. Here's the slow-mo version. I hope you're loving the t-shirt here, this Guitar Star in Training. Now, if you'd love to get your child, grandchild one of these t-shirts, which will really help with motivation and practice and take on that Guitar Star identity, I've also provided a link where you can grab a copy of this exact t-shirt, and that is in the description. Most kids don't make it this far, so congratulations! This is what Guitar Star energy feels like. I'm excited, I feel capable, and I'm becoming something cool right now. So if you want your child to feel that moment where they play something and feel proud, start their journey at Guitar Star Academy today. Join the Academy using the link below, and let's get them playing something awesome today.
If you loved today's video, consider subscribing to the channel and be first notified when we post new weekly videos just like this.